Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls Jewelry with another tutorial how to make a link chain. You can put them all in the same direction, or you can use your links and link them with the jump rings. It's very easy to do, and I will quickly show you what we need for that and how fast we can make them. We will need any scrap wire you have. This was the piece that I used before using my torch, like that's how long it was. Let's see. So you will have idea. When you use torch, depends how long you hold it, you will have different sizes. They all was from this piece, can you imagine? But here I hold it for a little longer, so these balls are like larger. And if I do project like this chain, I usually make tons of those. So then, because for the chain they don't have to be perfectly the same. You can even see that this is like a little longer, and it's organic. I like organic pieces. But for earrings, I usually pick up the best two that matching and then make earrings exactly same, because you don't want to have one earring longer, one shorter. You want to have them perfectly same, you know. So for the earrings, I would recommend to pick up the wire, the one, two that exactly same, right? For the chain, anything. Sometimes, like in this thing, this necklace, I use only one link here, so it could be smaller than the other ones, and to here the link together. They don't have to be exactly the same. So that's what you need. You need a pieces of wire. Use your torch, make those little balls at the end, and you will need your bail maker plier. Just make it something like this. Definitely will need to use the hammer. Make these something like that, and you need 24 gauge. So the wire, I put wire on top of the component we just made. Go under one leg, and you just make 3 wraps. 1, 2, 3. So you will have your wire going from underneath, right? Now push this one, so now we have this and we have basically 2 ends. Now with the one that we just put on top, we want to go over this one and just nicely wrap. Don't rush, Just nicely wrap. Cut your excess wire. Okay. Okay, and then you need to do simple wrap, like unwrap like about 1, 2, 3, 5. Cut. And tuck at your wire inside here. When you do the next one, when you make the next one, sometimes when you make too small opening here, it will not be able to go through with your wire. If I make chain and I use very large, I use heat and I like large ball here, I would use it only in one side, put it through, use a torch again, and then finish it as a you know, as a chain. Depends how you like to work. Also, I want to show you what I made with the same length, because I made few earrings. I didn't finish them, but you will have idea. So that's exactly same little chain link. So you can make earrings like this, or you can use this way, or you can make earrings like this. These earrings, when you wrap around your 24 gauge, then before you're making here this part, you put just bead, any bead you like, and then you finishing, right? I hope you guys will make nice chains. You can use, like I do, I like organic stuff, so sometimes I use only one, and then like randomly 2, and here is 1. It's very asymmetrical. I never like anything symmetrical. I like stuff that is sort of weird. And I notice that people like it too. Any questions, please send me. Sorry for my voice. I have a COVID. That's why my voice is so weird today, but I still want to film. I didn't want to make Tuesday empty without my tutorials. I feel bad, so I film it anyway, and I hope my voice didn't bother anybody, because it is a little weird, little congested. Also, I have weird taste. My taste buds are so weird. I just like taste everything bitter. It's really interesting. It just fascinates me what bug can do for you, seriously. So yes guys, thank you for watching, and I will see you next Tuesday. Hopefully my voice will be normally back, and I will create something fantastic for next Tuesday. Thank you for watching. Thank you for your support. Thank you, thank you. See you next Tuesday again. Bye.